Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about problems of village community. Last class we gave an explanation about the meaning of village, definition of village, and characteristics of village, and also types of village. Today we will discuss about the problems of a village community. There are so many problems in village community or in a village area. For example, unrequired social taboos, roads connectivity, or this is called as a road transport problem, and electricity, problem of electricity, improper sewage facilities, poor health facility, poor internet facility, and education facility, and different types of treatment between a boy and girl, and unproductive gossips, etc. are the main problems of a village community. Here, rural poverty refers to a poverty. The first problem, that is a rural poverty. Rural poverty, it refers to poverty in rural areas, including factors of rural society, rural economy, and political systems that give rise to the property found there. So, rural poverty is one of the often discussed in a conjunction with the special inequality, which in this context refers to the inequality between urban and rural areas. So, both rural poverty and special inequalities are global phenomena, but like poverty in general. There are higher rates of rural poverty in developing countries than in developed countries. So, eradicating rural poverty through effective policies or a 5-year programs, projects, ಅಥವಾ 5-year plan ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ ನಾವು, or effective through policies and economic growth remains a challenge for the international community. So, this is a rural poverty. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಬಡತನದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. And second one, that is insufficient access to market. No markets in the village area. Lack of access to markets, whether due to poor infrastructure or productivity, limited education facilities, or insufficient information, prevents access to both labor and capital. In many rural societies, there are a few job opportunities outside of agriculture. Therefore, the rural people migrating from rural to urban centers to get a good job in industrial or in cities. So often resulting in food and economic insecurity due to the precarious nature of farming, or rural workers are largely concentrated in jobs such as owner cultivators or owners cultivators, tenant farmers, sharecroppers, informal care workers, agricultural day laborers, and livestock herders, etc. Without access to other labor markets, rural workers continue to work for extremely low wages in agricultural jobs that tend to have seasonal fluctuations and thus little income security. So, in agricultural activity or in agricultural field, there are a few months of work. So, 6-month work in agricultural area, or in 6 months, they have no work. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅಥವಾ 3 ತಿಂಗಳು 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಆನಂತರ ಅವರು ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿಬಹುದು ಅವರನ್ನು. In addition to labor, the rural poor often lack access to capital markets and financing institutions, hindering their ability to establish savings and obtain credit that could be used to purchase working capital or increase their supply of raw materials. When coupled with the scarce job opportunities, poor access to credit and capital perpetuates rural poverty. So, this is a second and most important, insufficient access to market. ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. And next, transportation. The rural transport problem refers to difficulties experienced in providing transport links to rural communities. Low rural population density makes viable public transport difficult. Though people in rural areas usually have a greater need for a transport than urban dwellers, high levels of car ownership can diminish the problem. But to certain rural groups, the young, old or a poor always require public transport, public buses or any other autos, etc. Increasing car ownership may put pressure on existing rural public transport, prompting diminished service, which in turn encourages even a higher car ownership, creating a vicious circle of a public transport decline. Transport play a key role in responding to the problem of rural areas exclusion, rural social exclusion, the often large distance between services and population centers in rural areas mean it is difficult for people without access to private transport. In particular, in rural areas around the world, an increasing number of aging car drivers are having to make the transition to non-driver. Alternative transport will play a key role in keeping these people engaged in a mainstream society. ನಾವು ಹೇಳುದಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಸರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಶನ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂತಹ ಮಳೆಗೆ ಮಡ್ ರೋಡ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, rural health. In medicine, rural health or rural medicine is the interdisciplinary study of health and healthcare delivery in rural environments. The concept of rural health incorporates many fields, including geography or midwifery, nursing, sociology, economics, telehealth or telemedicine. So research shows that the healthcare needs of individuals living in rural areas are different from those in urban areas, and rural areas often suffer from a lack of access to healthcare. These differences are the result of geographic, demographic, socio-economic, workplace and personal health factors. For example, many rural communities have a large proportion of elderly people and children with relatively few people of working age, 20 to 50 years of age. Such communities have a high dependency ratio. So rural health also one of the major problems of a village area or a rural area. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಲ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನರು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವೊಂದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಆದಷ್ಟು ದೂರವನ್ನ ಕ್ರಮಿಸಬೇಕು, ರೋಡ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ. The rapid pace of rural electrification has clearly not been matched by adoption at the household level. According to a 2015 World Bank study, Power for All, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, electricity to all or power to all. Electricity access challenge in India. Even though electricity service has been locally available, many village households choose not to adopt a connection. For instance, states like Tripura and Sikkim, despite almost universal access, have among the lowest consumption rates. Examining this gap between electricity access and a household level adoption allows for a better understanding of supply-demand problem that characterize the lag between a village electrification and households' decisions to connect. So these are the major problems of a village community or a rural people in India. The problem of a poverty, unemployment, transportation, rural health, problem of electricity and roads connectivity, unrequired social taboos, sewage facilities, health facilities, education facilities. So education problems, these are the main problems of a village community in India. Yes, understand? Okay.